Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel called Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some Pinterest Rustic Cottage Decorating Ideas. Let's start the video. Pinterest Rustic Cottage Decorating Ideas combine the charm of Pinterest style, the warmth of rustic design, and the cozy simplicity of a cottage home. This decorating style is ideal for those who love old world character, natural pictures, and lived-in comfort. Here are some inspiring ideas to bring this look to life. First, use a soft muted color palette. Colors: cream, antique white, chess cream, dusty rose, beaded blue, soft grey, and warm beige. The stones create a calm, nostalgic feel and make the space look timeless. Mix vintage furniture with rustic features. Use chippy painted dressers, old farmhouse tables, or distressed armoires. Combine them with wood elements, such as reclaimed beams or rustic beds. Look for curved linens, charred legs, and old finishes. Incorporate natural textures. Materials like linen, burlap, cotton, and wool add softness. Use wicker baskets, oven rugs, and wooden cradles for storage and decor. A jute jug or period rugs adds warmth to wooden or stone floors. Use vintage lighting and accessories. Look for antique lamps, iron candelabras, or lantern-style lights. Add candlesticks or lamps or even string lights for a romantic night. Use vintage clocks, animal pictures, old mirrors, or old picture frames. Use florals and botanical touches. Use to add lavender, wildflowers, or vintage floral prints in textiles. Hang botanical wild art or display pressed flowers in antique frames. A picture filled with fresh garden blooms makes a lovely centerpiece. This cozy cottage setting, a vintage floral slip-covered sofa, or a plump tufted armchair with a crescent draw. Add pillows in faded fabrics, especially florals, stripes, or checks. Shelving with planted displays. Display vintage dishes, mismatched china, or iron stone collections. Use rustic wooden shelves or reclaimed oak planks for open storage. Use displays and repurpose decor. Turn old ladders into towel racks or blanket holders. Use other charters as wall decor or a headboard. Repurposed cloths into side tables or storage. Vintage window frames and doors. Hang self-closed doors. Hangers on walls or lean old doors in corners. Use them as art backdrops, mirror frames, or photo displays. Use farmhouse-inspired kitchen touches, apron from silk, open shelving, and vintage canisters. Use hanging pots and pans, copper accents, and retro appliances. Let's dive deeper into vintage rustic cottage decorating style by exploring its core elements, emotional appeal, seasonal adaptability, and room-by-room inspiration. This will help you fully understand how to use the style in your home or creative projects. Notice vintage rustic cottage style. This decor style blends three aesthetics: vintage items from the past, often with patina, character, and nostalgic charm. Rustic, raw, weathered, and natural materials like oak, stone, and metal. Cottage, cozy, welcoming, and unpretentious interiors with a lived-in feel. Together, this craft a home that feels nostalgic, romantic, warm, and story-filled, like stepping into a timeless countryside legend. Key characteristics: ace materials and patinas, impress imperfections, chipped paint, tarnished metal, cracked ceramics. Look for diamond furniture, such as farmhouse tables with visible wood grain or painted pages with distressing. Use handmade and heirloom pages. Incorporate hand-stitched squares, crocheted toilets, or lace runners. Use family antiques or thrifted treasures to add personal history. Use soft lighting and natural ambience. Priority soft layered lighting like lamps, candles, and sconces. Natural light is important. Use shade curtains or lace panels to let sunlight gently diffuse in. Romantic and nature-inspired themes. Floral patterns, garden motifs, bud and botanical art. Use decor reflect nature and seasons, like pine cones in winter, lavender in spring. Room by room decorating ideas. First, living room furniture: overstuffed armchairs, slip-covered couches, and vintage coffee tables. Decor: layered area rugs are often junk as a coffee table, stuffed up vintage books, and gallery walls with antique frames. Bedroom: use duffel bed, Scotch embroidered pillowcases, and patchwork piles. Furniture: use iron bed frames or white painted wood. Use mismatched nightstands and vintage lamps. Touches: dried flowers in jars, a lace curtains, canopy, soft floral wallpaper on the wall. Kitchen cabinets: open shelving or glass-bound cabinets to display vintage dishware. Decor: passenger storage, enamel art, wooden cutting boards, and gingham towels. Use of furniture like farmhouse tables, spindle chairs, perhaps a vintage hut or bicep. Bathroom vanity: a converted antique dresser with a sink. Details: a closet tub, vintage mirrors, accessory jars, floral curtains, or ruffled shower curtains. Common materials: wood, reclaimed, painted, or raw, like pine, oak, or whitewashed finishes. Iron and tin used in bed frames, lighting fixtures, and baskets. Cotton and linen in bedding, curtains, and upholstery. Glass and porcelain, mismatched desserts, floral dishes, vintage bottles, stone. Emotional and sensory atmosphere, smells, lavender, grasses, beeswax candles, baked apple pie. Feelings, club nostalgic, hominess, and an inviting sense of warmth. Feelings, club nostalgic, hominess, and an inviting sense of warmth. Look layered, cozy, and crafted with care, not staged or too perfect. Seasonal adjustment, spring, floral shades, pastel throws, blooming bronzes in vases. Summer, light linens, bowls of fresh fruit, vintage picnic baskets. Autumn, use earth-tone textiles, dried wheat or pumpkins, and rustic lanterns. Winter, twinkie leaves, evergreen garlands, warm candlelight, and antique slate as decor. Water source item, flower markets and antique shops, check the stores and estate sales, estate and small handmade shops, family heirlooms, DIY projects like chalk painted furniture, handmade parlors, and repurposed old wood shelves. Historical and cultural artisans. Vintage rustic cottage style is rooted in rural European and American country homes, where families lived simply and relied on handmade or well-owned items, passed down through generations. Key influences: English country cottages, cozy rural filled spaces with mismatched furniture. French countryside, Provence. Use linen fabrics, whitewashed oud, and soft elegance. American farmhouse, simple, rugged features, reclaimed oud and heterogeneous charm. This design style grew out of necessity and sentiment. People reused what they had, valued craftsmanship, and found beauty in the imperfect. Core design principles, layered storytelling. Every item in the room tells a story. A teacup from a grandmother, a ladder shelf from a flower market, or a framed letter from the 1920s. Avoid mass product looks. Instead, aim for a collected over time aesthetic. Organic and voided aesthetics use materials that aged gracefully, such as solid wood, stone, or real metals. Surfaces can be stuffed, uneven, faded discs add soul to the space. Textiles rich environment. Hair rugs on rugs, throws on sofas, and pillows on beds. Mix patterns like florals, textiles, and stripes, but in harmonious feather tones. Purposeful imperfection. Rustic cottages are not perfect. They are cozy, lifted, and real. A creaky floorboard, mismatched chairs, or cracked pictures adds character. Signature decor elements, category and examples. Category furniture. Examples from tables, spindle chairs, tippy houses, iron or candy bags. Fabrics. Lace curtains, ruffled linens, patchwork walls, taking striped cushions. Wall decor. Examples: botanical prints, antique mirrors, place flowers, frames, and wooden sign. Storage examples: wicker baskets, window trunks, open shelving, and wire bins. Lighting examples: old iron candlers, glass wall lamps, and candle sconces. Accessories examples: old clocks, animal pictures, window screens, crocheted toilets, and tea sets. Styling tips for an authentic feel: contrast soft with raw. Pair a delicate lace journal with a chunky oak table. Mix plus cushions with metal bed frames or rugged lenses. Embrace whimsy, hang a straw hat on the wall or place rainbows by the door as decor. Use a vintage barcase teacups filled with moss or a watering can as a vase. Focus on the senses. Use scented elements like handmade soaps, giant arms, or cherry oat. Keep fresh baked fruits or seasonal flowers on display for visual and sensory warmth. Bringing it into modern homes. Even if you live in a modern apartment or suburban home, you can add the look. Replace sleek hardware with aged brass or porcelain knobs. Soft modern textiles for handmade or thrifted fabrics. Painted walls in creamy white, pale blue, or muted shades to soften the atmosphere. Display a few key vintage pieces and slowly build your collection over time. Why people love it? This style feels warm and inviting, never cold or sterile. Honors the past while staying honorable in today's world. Encourages creativity, upcycling, repurposing, and mixing styles. Reduce waste through sustainable decor choices. Supports handmade artisans and local chic communities. This design style is more than just an aesthetic, it is a philosophy of home and living.